Saya berasal dari Smpit Fityan Aceh, kelas 8. Alhamdulillah saya telah menghafal 10 juz. A'udzu billahi minasy syaithanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tabarakalladzi biyadihil mulk wa huwa ala kulli syai'in qadir. Alladzi khalaqal mauta wal hayata liyabluwakum ayyukum ahsanu amala wa huwal azizul ghafur. Alladzi khalaqa sab'a samawati tibaqa ma tara fi khalqir rahmani min tafawut farji'al basara hal tara min futur thumma arji'il basara karratayn yanqalib ilaykal basaru khasi'an wa huwa hasir walaqad zayyana as-samaa'a ad-dunya bimasabiha وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير وللذين كفروا بربهم عذاب جهنم وبئس المصير إذا ألقوا فيها سمعوا لها شهيقا وهي تفور تكاد تميز من الغيظ كلما ألقي فيها فوج سألهم خزنتها ألم يأتكم نذير قالوا بلى قد جاءنا نذير فكذبنا وقلنا ما نزل الله من شيء إن أنتم إلا في ضلال كبير وقالوا لو كنا نسمع أو نعقل ما كنا في أصحاب السعير فاعترفوا بذنبهم فسحقا لأصحاب السعير إن الذين يخشون ربهم بالغيب لهم مغفرة وأجر كريم وأسروا قولكم أو اجهروا به إنه عليم بذات الصدور ألا يعلم من خلق وهو اللطيف الخبير هو الذي جعل لكم الأرض ذلولا فامشوا في مناكبها وكلوا من رزقه وإليه النشور أأمنتم من في السماء أن يخسف بكم الأرض فإذا هي تمور أم أمنتم من في السماء أن يرسل عليكم حاصبا فستعلمون كيف نذير ولقد كذب الذين من قبلهم فكيف كان نكير أولم يروا إلى الطير فوقهم صافات ويقبضن ما يمسكهن إلا الرحمن إنه بكل شيء بصير أمن هذا الذي هو جند لكم ينصركم من دون الرحمن إن الكافرون إلا في غرور أمن هذا الذي يرزقكم إن أمسك رزقه بل لجوا في عتو ونفور أفمن يمشي مكبا على وجهه أهدى أمن يمشي سويا على صراط مستقيم قل هو الذي أنشأكم وجعل لكم السمع والأبصار والأفئدة قليلا ما تشكرون قل هو الذي ذرأكم في الأرض وإليه تحشرون ويقولون متى هذا الوعد إن كنتم صادقين قل إنما العلم عند الله وإنما أنا نذير مبين فلما رأوه زلفة سيئت وجوه الذين كفروا وقيل هذا الذي كنتم به تدعون قل أرأيتم إن أهلكني الله ومن معي أو رحمنا فمن يجير الكافرين من عذاب أليم قل هو الرحمن آمنا به وعليه توكلنا فستعلمون من هو في ضلال مبين قل أرأيتم إن أصبح ماؤكم غورا فمن يأتيكم بماء معين صدق الله العظيم.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Nama saya Alia Lutfiah. Saya dari Smpit Fityan School Aceh kelas 8. Alhamdulillah saya telah menghafal 15 juz. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif lam mim. Dzalikal kitabu la raiba fihi hudal lil muttaqin alladzina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimunas sholata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfiqun walladzina yu'minuna bima unzila ilaika wa ma unzila min qablik wa bil akhirati hum yuqinun ulaika ala hudan min rabbihim wa ulaika humul muflihun innal ladzina kafaru sawa'un 'alaihim a anzartahum am lam tunzirhum la yu'minun khatamallahu 'ala qulubihim wa 'ala sam'ihim wa 'ala absarihim ghishawah wa lahum 'adzabun 'adzim wa minan nasi man yaqulu amanna billahi wa bil yawmil akhir wa ma hum bimu'minin yukhadi'una allaha walladzina amanu wa ma yakhda'una illa anfusahum wa ma yash'urun fi qulubihim maradun fazadahumullahu marada wa lahum 'adzabun alimun bima kanu yakdzibun wa idza qila lahum la tufsidu fil ardi qalu innama nahnu muslihun ala innahum humul mufsidun walakin la yash'urun wa idza qila lahum aminu kama amanan nasu qalu anu'minu kama amana as-sufaha ala innahum humus sufaha walakin la ya'lamun wa idza laqal ladzina amanu qalu amanna wa idza khalau ila syayatinihim qalu inna ma'akum innama nahnu mustahzi'un Allahu yastahzi'u bihim wa yamudduhum fi tughyanihim ya'mahun ulaika alladzina ishtaraw ad-dalalata bil huda fama rabihat tijaratuhum wa ma kanu muhtadin masaluhum kamasalil ladzi istawqada nara falamma adaa'at ma hawlahu dhahaba Allahu bi nurihim wa tarakahum fi dhulumatin la yubsirun summun bukmun 'umyun fahum la yarji'un aw kasayyibin minas samaa'i fihi dhulumatun wa ra'dun wa barqun yaj'aluna asabi'ahum fi adhanihim minas sawa'iqi hadaral maut wallahu muhitun bil kafirin yakadul barqu yakhtafu absarahum kullama adaa'a lahum mashaw fihi wa idza adlama 'alaihim qalu walau syaa Allahu ladhahaba bisam'ihim wa absarihim innallaha 'ala kulli syai'in qadir sadaqallahul 'azim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Today I want to tell you a story about everyone is special. Once upon a time there was a frog named Ulu. One day Ulu see the sky and then rain come. Ulu was very happy because he liked rain. Rain, 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 rain. I love rain. Yay. Ulu sing and jumping. But then Ulu met an ant who was hiding under the sunflower. Hey ant, why don't you play with the rain? It's so fun. But the ant said, Ulu, don't you see my body? I'm so thin and small. I cannot swim. The rain can bring me to the pond. Then Ulu laughing, ha, you cannot swim. See me. When I'm small, I can swim. Not like you. Then Ulu jump again and sing. Hey, rain, 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 rain. Then Ulu meet a fish. Hey fish, why don't you play with rain? Then the fish said, Ulu, don't you see me? I cannot feel the rain. I live underwater. I live in the water. Then Ulu laughing, ha, you cannot feel the rain. Look at me, I can jump and sing under the rain. Then the fish met and leave Ulu. Then Ulu jump and sing again. Hey, rain, 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 I love rain so much. Then Ulu met a bird who are stand on the branch. Then Ulu think, why the bird not play with the rain? He cannot feel the rain, or he cannot swim. Then Ulu laughed and said, hey bird, you cannot feel the rain, or you cannot swim like an ant or the fish. But then the bird said, hey Ulu, can you jump on this tree? Can you jump here? No, right? You cannot jump here. Do you know why? Then Ulu said, yes, because I don't have wings. And my feet is short. Then the bird said, look at that, you cannot jump here. But I can fly to the sky, but you cannot. Everyone has special and don't underestimate them. Then Ulu felt sad and say sorry to them. Thanks for your attention, for hearing my story. Thank you and bye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Female, they long for a child, but they haven't have one. Till one day, through the bushes, there is something moving. They creep over, and there was a baby. Then they grabbed the baby and put it home. They named it Putri Bungsu because she was a girl. And Putri Bungsu was grown up and been raised by two dragons. So one day, Putri Bungsu was confused. She was a human, but her parents were two dragons. So he started wandering around and searched for her real parents. But her real parents were searching for her too. So one day, Putri Bungsu found them, and the real parents can sign her by a mark on her hand. So they could find her and wanted to drag her home. The dragons were searching for Putri Bungsu because she was missing from the day on. Then they found Putri Bungsu and wanted to get him back home, but Putri Bungsu refused. The real parents said that Putri Bungsu real daughter. So the dragons grew very angry and decided to call a holy man called Tuan Tapa. Tuan Tapa was a very holy man and he was so gentle. When he had heard the problem, he decided that the dragons have to let Putri Bungsu go with her real parents. The dragons were angry and decided to fight with Tuan Tapa. Tuan Tapa said, okay, you can fight with me, but if you lose, you have to let Putri Bungsu with her real parents. But if you win, you can get Putri Bungsu and get her home to your place. The dragons were agreed. Then Tuan Tapa and the dragons started to fight. Tuan Tapa used his skills and fight with two mighty dragons till the father dragon was dead. The mother dragon was very angry, so she swished her tail until it dashed to an island. The island turned into little islands, and then she ran away. The body of the dead dragon turned into a stone, a big black stone named Batu Hitam, till the blood dried and turned to a big stone, a red big stone named Batu Merah. Then the little islands that was been crushed by the mother of dragon was named as Pulau Banyak. So that was the history of Batu Hitam, Batu Merah, and Pulau Banyak. So this is the end of the story. Hope you like it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.